Hello, welcome to cedis. I want to quickly show you how to save a preset and how to use a preset. Okay, let me go to my WhatsApp in case someone send you a preset like this. I send this preset to this girl and she's asking me how to save it. So if you download this preset to your phone, just switch over to Lightroom. Switch over to Lightroom. Okay, when you come to Lightroom, click on this drop down. Then go to document. Like you got this preset through WhatsApp or anywhere. Just go to that folder. Like this is one of it. You can see these are all raw. It will appear raw. So what you can do is to click on any preset. Maybe I want to save this one. I'll just open it on my Lightroom. Like this is a preset now in your Lightroom. This was the original picture. Just hold your screen. This is the original picture. After applying preset, this is how it is. So what you do for you to save this preset on your phone, you have to click on create a preset. Let me go back. Click on these three dots. Then click on create preset. I'll give a name. Maybe case edit 1111. I always add this. I've automatically created this preset. So now if you want to apply this preset, this was before and this is after. Let me reset everything. Like this is the original effect of the original picture. Let me just save it to my gallery. Okay, let me go back. Let me close my Lightroom. Okay, now the next step, if you want to apply that very preset to any picture, let me open my Lightroom again. You just log into your Lightroom. Now this is the original picture. This is the original picture that we want to apply that preset that you bought or you got somewhere. Click on it. It load. After editing on the other apps, you are okay with it. You just want to apply this color effect called preset. Just click on your preset. Click here. Then you see that preset that I wrote, case edit. This very one. Click on it. Have you seen? It automatically created before and after. So this is how to create a preset. When you are done, if you are satisfied, you click on this tick icon and you save the preset. If you want to reduce it, let me go back. Just click on this plus sign, kind of plus. Click on it, drag it to this side, or you can drag it to this other side. You can play with it. You can do a lot. This is basically how to apply presets, save presets, do whatever you want with it. Now I'll click here to save. I'll now save this to my phone. I'll now save it to my phone. Boom, as simple as that. This is how to create a preset. Thank you for watching this video.